Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we are going to unbox something a bit different than usual. We're going to unbox a Swiss Army knife, and this is one I found on Amazon here. It's kind of like a Boy Scout type of knife. So yeah, so let's take a quick look at the packaging first. You can see there's this wooden plank type of thing going in the background. It's by Kids at Works by Corvus maybe. I don't know how to pronounce that. And it's in Dutch, I think. Yeah, it's from Germany. There's the website, yeah, Dutch DE. So we get a lot of tools, and since it's for mainly for kids, you get a rounded tip for the knife, but you get lots of things. You got saws, scissors, bottle opener, a cork to open a wine bottle. Never understood that. I believe you get a file. These two, I can't remember their name, but they're for making holes in for sewing, I think. And you got another bottle opener. Oh, that's not a bottle, it's a can opener here. Yeah, kind of like the aesthetic of the packaging. What's on the back? Obviously, it's in German. Warning, not a toy in the sense of the operant guideline. Yeah, not for children under 10 years and all that. Yeah, so let's get into the packaging now. Let's get inside. Here's my good old trusty Victorinox. And let's get this open. Well, maybe I should have got a real knife for that. Some real scissors. Oh no, it's not opening. Come on. I'm gonna need the knife for this one. It's kinda crazy that to get the knife out, you need the knife. Another knife. Man, is that really for kid? I can't even. Oh man, it's glued. Man, I don't like destroying packaging, but really, this was one of the worst packaging I've seen. It's garbage. Anyway, now we got the knife here. Maybe the knife is better than the packaging. And you can see next to my Victorinox here, it's quite large and much bigger. It's 9 centimeters long, and it's quite thick. Yeah, it's 2 centimeters thick here. So yeah, so let's see. It's red, classic Swiss Army knife. There's the logo, Kids at Works. So you got a screwdriver here, fish sturdy. Yeah, you got this one here, man. Yeah, hard to get out. You get this thing, which I don't really know what it is. It's not even sharp. Was it supposed to be sharp? Yeah, maybe it was supposed to be sharp. You got the corkscrew for the wine bottles and all that, so for all the French people here. Got this, which I have no idea. Yeah, that's for sewing, I think. Again, nothing is sharp. You got the file here. I'm not going to take out. It's kind of hard. Maybe I need to oil the thing. Here's the blade. And it feels a bit sharp. Okay. You're not gonna cut things with that. I guess it's not a bad blade for a kid. Still nice steel. Maybe I'll have to sharpen this a little bit. What else do we have? You got the bottle opener, and I guess it's going to be the can opener. Again, not sharp. This is going to be the knife. Man, I have absolutely no nails going on here. It's kind of hard getting them out. There's the scissors here. Ow! The spring jumps out of the scissors here. I don't know if you can see that. And it hits you. It hit me in the thumb here. Look. Yeah. Again. Yeah. Don't pay attention to this. Here. I hurt myself with something else, but yeah, man, this thing is it's not going nicely, to be honest. Here we got a saw. Strangely enough, it seems to be the most sharpened tool here. I have no doubt. Yeah, it's rubbish. Complete garbage. Does the scissors actually work? Man, it's not going nicely. And here, maybe the last. Oh yeah, and you get another, even less, not even sharp. It's not. Yeah, there's nothing going on here. Yeah, let's get this back. So nothing sharpened, to be honest. The knife is... Yeah, the knife barely cuts. What else we have? We have a toothpick here. To be honest, the toothpick has a very sharp point here, which is kind of funny. This is maybe the most dangerous thing in this tool here. What else do we have here? Ooh, very, very poorly made tweezers. I don't know. They even painted the eyes. It's flaking everywhere here. They've painted this part here very badly, to be honest. It's flaking everywhere on my hand. And look at the size of the knife and look at the size of the tweezers. It's a joke. So yeah, I guess I was going to make some tests where I was going to cut some peppers and all that, but to be honest, There's nothing can do with this. My good old Victorinox is sharper than this. I've got it for, I don't know, maybe 5-6 years, and I never sharpened it, and it's still sharp. This, I really don't recommend this. Kids at works, smaller than a knife. Maybe if you use some sharpening tools for this. But yeah, it's a shame. Pretty nice. It looks pretty nice. It's quite heavy and all that. But yeah, if you do buy this, I would recommend getting some sharpening tool. And yeah, I wouldn't really recommend you getting it. There are better options. So yeah. Unfortunately, that's it for today's unboxing and review. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and leave a like.